If you have good thoughts, they will shine out of your face like sunbeams, and you will always look lucky.
Hi! So 5 more days to PSLE. Let's read today's question. Mrs. Lee awards 15 points for every piece of work handed in on time and deducts 8 points for work handed in late. In the month of August, Class 6A collected 1,073 points. For every 5 pieces of work given, Mrs. Lee found that 2 pieces of work were handed in late. So how many pieces of work were handed in on time? So this is kind of like a set question as well. This part here, they tell us that for every 5 pieces of work given, out of 5, 2 handed late, which means 3 would be on time. So we're looking at sets of 5, isn't it? Okay, that's a clue that we're looking at sets of 5. So on time, 3 pieces, late, 2 pieces, and they make up 1 set. So we're dealing with points over here. The points were awarded. 15 points for work handed in on time. So for the 3 pieces in 1 set, total points, 45. 3 times 15, 45. How about the late ones? 2 pieces in a set late, right? 8 points deducted. So 2 times 8 will be 16. This 16 points will be deducted. So 45 minus 16, 29 points in 1 set. Okay, 29 points in 1 set. Now in August, 6A collected a total of 1,073 points. So what should we do from here? We're going to take the total points divided by 1 set of 29 points. And this gives me 37. 37 what? 37 sets. Okay? So 37 sets of what, right? 37 sets of this, what we were dealing with to begin with. The 5 pieces of work. The 3 on time and the 2 late, okay? So the question wants us to find how many pieces of work were handed in on time. On time. Let's go back to 1 set, and the on time would be 3 pieces. 3 pieces on time in a set. Now we have 37 sets, right? So the total pieces handed in on time would be 37 times 3, which is 111. So that will be the answer, 111 pieces of work handed in on time. Okay, so that's all for this question. See you guys tomorrow.